Companies are gonna hate me after this video.
Damn! Uber, part 2?
Uber! I forgot my SD card. I'm recording right now, but I forgot my SD card. Hi guys, this is Brian. He just started an OnlyFans account. Link down below. Subscribe to him. Support him. He's trying to get an M4. I'm trying to get a GTR, but support him.
Danny got me started.
So as car guys, we want to buy expensive car parts, but sometimes they're just too expensive, and we don't got money for them. So today I'm going to show you how to save money as a car guy trying to buy car parts. Doesn't matter what car you drive. Doesn't matter anything. Trust me, this video is probably, out of all my videos on my channel, this is probably like one of my favorites because it's actually going to bring value. And you're gonna learn a lot. So leave a like, subscribe. My name is Danny, that's the 370Z. Let's get to it with number 1. There's gonna be 3. This is number 1.
You didn't ask me any questions though, you know I'm a car guy too.
Okay, Brian. Why do you keep following me?
Number 1 way to save. Don't buy this, don't buy this. Definitely don't buy this. Don't buy that. Don't buy this. Don't buy this.
So this first reason doesn't have anything to do with the hood, but we're gonna talk about selling parts you already have. So for example, let's say, oh perfect, you're gonna buy aftermarket intakes, right? These aftermarket intakes are around about $400. So to put these on, you gotta take your old OEM intake off. There's somebody out there, trust me, that needs that OEM intake. So instead of throwing it behind your backyard and they're worrying about it, just put it on Facebook Marketplace, put it on a lot of forums, and I guarantee you, off of those intakes, you're gonna make some kind of money, which you're gonna have enough money to buy something else for the car, or in general, you're just gonna save money. You're not gonna have to spend $400. Let's say you get 80 for the intakes, that's already $320 instead of 400. Trust me, every little bit helps, and this is probably like the biggest help, and you can probably relate to this. Wait, you're one of those people that
Yeah,
keep your OEM stuff. I don't know why Brian does this, but let's say you wanna buy wheels for the car. These wheels cost me about $1,800, but I sold my OEM wheels for $800. So I literally saved $800. I didn't have to spend full price. And that's what a lot of people do, most people do, except if you're Brian, then you keep your wheels at your house for no reason.
Hey, is this an exposed video or is this a save money video?
Brian, you
Gotta save money, my guy.
But that is something that I'm pretty sure almost every car guy does. You buy a new part, you sell your old OEM part because it's worth money. The only reason why I think Brian's keeping it because he's probably gonna part out the car after he's done with it, right? Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe turn it in.
So if you're not gonna keep the car forever, you're gonna part it out, you might wanna keep the OEM part, but if you're not, trust when I tell you this, sell your OEM parts, you're gonna make back a lot of money, you're gonna be able to spend more money on car parts. That's what everybody wants to do. I just wanna buy car parts and work on cars. That's all I wanna do in life. Oh, and go to space and see aliens. I was talking to Brian about that too.
What are you doing?
Okay, number 2 on the list, and I'm about to give you guys like the exclusive. The one thing that almost every single car YouTuber does, but you don't need to be a car YouTuber. You have to somehow provide value or exposure. So let's say you want, what's something that you want for your car? I don't know. Think fast.
Depends on
You want an exhaust set. Okay, you want an exhaust setup. Not many people have this exhaust setup, but you really want it. It costs, let's say, $500. You don't have $500, but you have like what? $250. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna give up and not buy the exhaust you want? No. I want you guys to go ahead, message the company, ask them, hey, I can take video and pictures of the car with the exhaust on and provide you that in exchange for 25% off, 10% off, etc. You don't have to have thousands and tens of thousands or millions of followers for companies to work with you. Like I said, you just gotta provide value somehow, or exposure. Exposure, I mean, if you already have a YouTube channel, reach out to any company. You don't have to have a lot of followings, trust me. A lot of companies that are starting out or just want their product out there, they just want, like I said, their product out there. And although yes, the more following you have is better, sometimes they don't care if your YouTube channel is small, they'll give you a big discount. Or even if it's like a proto product, they'll even give it to you for free. And none of that would have happened if you were scared and didn't want to reach out to the company. So always reach out to the company. Like I said, provide value or exposure somehow, and trust me, you're gonna be saving so much money, because if an exhaust setup, like I said, costs $400 and they gave you like a 20% discount, how much is that? Oh crap, dude. I took calc. You saved $80 that you could use it for like an oil change, or a little banner for your car or anything. So every little bit helps. Trust me, just go out there, buy a cheap camera, start taking pictures for companies, sending them, then, right? Oh, look, a Kia.
So,
So this is what you don't want to do. Yo, I have a really cool car. Can I just please have the exhaust for free?
No.
Now this is what you do want to do. Hey, I have an Instagram account and I'm starting up a YouTube channel. I'd love to have your exhaust on my car and provide you with pictures as well as an install video. What do you think?
No.
I'm just gonna get a muffler deleted. Please don't be that one guy that provides nothing and just wants a free car part or discounted car part. Because that kind of ruins it for like the rest of us that are actually trying to make deals and relationships with the company. Please. And honestly, if they don't reply back, at least you tried. You know, it doesn't really matter. It's happened to me. I messaged the company, hey, do you want to work on this with me? They don't. And another thing, if you wanted something big to the car, companies love investing in people that are doing something big, and don't take everything on yourself and don't spend all the money yourself. Trust me, if you partner up with a company, you're gonna save so much money. They're gonna get exposure. You're gonna build your brand even more, or maybe you're not even building your brand and they can use your car as
their brand.
Yeah, for like their brand. So it works both ways. You're not taking advantage of companies. You're both like gaining from this, working together. So trust. Please reach out to companies. You don't have to be a YouTuber. You don't have to anything. And I'm pretty sure like 99% of YouTubers that you watch do the same thing. Me, myself, like I said last video, I did a full mod list video, and I saw at the end of the video, I listed how much money I spent on the car, but I put regular price. And then I kind of calculated how much I actually spent. And just please reach out to companies. Trust me, you're gonna save a lot of money. You're gonna be able to build the car of your dreams. All right, on to the next one. Brian just made a great point. Companies can't watch this. So if you're a company right now, stop watching. This only for like the car people, because companies are gonna hate me after this video. Damn.
Who do you think you are?
I just lost.
People to comment and how to actually reach out.
Give you guys the exclusive, trust me.
No, wait, the exclusive is in the OnlyFans account. That's where we actually go in depth.
Yes,
how to do
yes.
it.
So stay to the very end of the video because we're gonna talk about. Change it up.
We're gonna get low.
Get low with the whistle blow. Alright,
But,
this one is pretty self-explanatory. If you don't already do this, do it. It is going to either junkyards, finding the part that you need, or buying used parts. A lot of people don't like buying used parts, but if you find the right part that it hasn't been used a lot and it's an actual quality part that lasts a long time, you're gonna be saving so much money for a part that's basically new. A lot of things on the 370 are used. You guys probably don't even know. My Tomei used, got it for much cheaper than it actually costs. I got you. Okay.
don't touch me on the hand.
Stop, don't touch me there. That is my no square. Intakes for the car is still in Gen 3s, used. Another thing that's gonna help you buy used quality parts is join a lot of Facebook groups or just Craigslist. I might stay away from, but you can also find a great deal on Craigslist. But Facebook Marketplace and just Facebook groups in general. People are always listing things, getting rid of things. Trust me, a lot of people take care of the parts very good, and you're gonna be saving so much money. But you know why we're actually saving all this money up?
Why?
Because there's merch coming.
You're not
So you know, we can't save up your money, bro, because there's merch coming. There's any Z merch coming out. It's not just merch, it's gonna be a clothing brand. It's gonna be insane. Working on it, I've been working on it for like 4 or 5 months. I already said in previous videos, but it's coming out. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, another quick tip. Whenever you see an install video, if they don't say it in the video, look in the description. I'm pretty sure the YouTuber has like a discount code with the company. Like me, whenever I get like a discounted part or I'm working with a company, I almost just died. I always, like 95% of the time have a discount code for you guys in the description. So whenever you watch an install video from me or any other YouTuber, look in the description for a discount code because they probably have one and you're gonna save more dinero. Right, Brian?
Dinero.
Yes, sir. I can't outro the video, so Brian's gonna.
You save money? Subscribe.
Leave a like, subscribe. Let me know if this video helped any of you. I'm pretty sure it did. Go out there, save money, build your dream car. Share this video with at least one of your friends. We're trying to get to 100K by the end of 2030. So leave a big thumbs up. Yeah, then I'm a very optimistic person.
Oh, okay.
I like big goals and
big.
peanut butter with bread.
Can I lie?
Almost forgot. I'm making a full mod list in Spanish in my Spanish channel. Go check it out, Danny Z Latino. But alright, I'm just gonna go. I hope this video was kind of quick. I didn't want to make it too long, just straight to the point. Give you guys tips on how to save money. Peace out again. And like Brian said, subscribe. Hasta luego.
I saw your face.
Bye, guys.
So if the other one's Latino, this is the Gringo channel.
This is Danny Z Gringo.
Danny Z Gringo.
Danny Z Gringo.